Hi guys, welcome to another video for honeystocks.com and the earnings watch. Now, just a 5-minute really quick video to walk you through 5 charts that I've been asked about in the last few days and what to expect coming into earnings. Now, if this is your first time here, please pause the video, make sure that you are comfortable with that before watching any more. And if you do like it, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, like, comment. If there's any stocks that you feel like should be on the radar also, then feel free to comment below. It all helps to get me bumped up the YouTube algorithms, so it's very much appreciated. Now, we all know middle of earnings season at the moment, very difficult to get a handle on what's actually going to happen. We've obviously got the Fed talking today, so there's going to be some volatility. What happens, again, nobody knows. We just have to let price dictate. But as I said, I've got 5 charts for you that I'm going to quickly run over. And if you're somebody that struggles for your trading, you can stick around for 30 seconds at the end. But the first one that I've got on my radar actually is Yeti. Now, at the moment, Yeti's finding a little bit of resistance, just at a logical area of resistance. I think if we get a break above this level with Yeti, I think there's a really good upside potential here. Now, we're obviously up 135% year to date, which is incredible, but we are on a bullish uptrend at the moment, make no mistake about it. This is a stock that I've been bullish on for quite some time, and again, I'm just patiently waiting for that breakout. I've been asked a lot about Etsy this week. Now, Etsy again is on a bullish uptrend. It has again outperformed the market very well this year, but we are meeting a stubborn area of resistance at the moment. I think if again we can get the break above this on the back of positive earnings, then we might want to consider this one. But it doesn't make a lot of sense to take new positions in the run up to earnings. That's maybe the first thing to say with any chart, any stock. I find it's a lot easier to make decisions on the back of information that's presented to us from the earnings report. So absolutely, Etsy, one that you need to have on your radar, but wait patiently for either a breakout or a high probability pullback entry. Pinterest, again, this is one that I've been asked about. Now, obviously, over the last 3 months, it's underperformed. Now, the problem that we have with recent IPOs is there's not any real structure to price. There's not any real direction, and quite frankly, the early earnings reports can make or break the company. And absolutely, with Pinterest, we've had a recent breakout here. Some of my guys are doing very well on it at the moment, but the message is very clear. Protect the profits that you may have accumulated, because it's an absolute lottery what's going to happen come earnings. And at the end of this video, there's going to be a link to my brand new earnings tutorial, how to play earnings season, how I play it, how I teach my client group how to play it as well. Very successful, very logical, super stress-free as well. Say goodbye to holding through earnings reports and gambling. So certainly Pinterest, again, if we get positive earnings, I think there's a decent upside potential here. Hopefully it starts to move towards 36. We've obviously got Square. Now, I feel like I've talked this one to death recently, but I've had so many emails and messages about this one. Square Inc. is obviously on a bullish uptrend. It's done well this year. But again, we're meeting resistance. We're exactly where we would expect to meet resistance. We're just waiting for price to break out of this level here with continuation, and I think it does start to move towards 100 on the back of positive earnings. But to the other end of that, we've got a very steep upward sloping trend line, and we know that with steep upward sloping trend lines, they tend to get broken quicker. So again, poor earnings, and I think you could probably say good night to Square Inc. for a few months. So critical earnings, again, I'm waiting patiently to see what happens here. Verizon, I've had a few messages about this one as well, and quite frankly, guys, it's a stock that just doesn't have any appeal at the moment whatsoever. Now, I don't know what the dividend situation looks like, if they pay any decent dividends. That's the only reason I can think for possibly holding this stock. It's just grinding sideways. It's only up 3.9% this year, massively underperformed the overall broader market. And as you can see from the four charts that I presented previously, if you've currently got money holding within Verizon, I don't see why, but that's really the charts that I wanted to really present to you. And as I said, if you're somebody that struggles with your trading, just to give you a bit of information about me, I'm Sam, and I am currently registered with the CMT Association, studying towards my chartered status, which is obviously a big deal. There's only 4,000 in the world, but I also run honeystocks.com trading school, and I think the difference between what I do and what a lot of other air quotes experts do is I publish every single trade idea that I post to my client group in the community that I have built. This is the 2019. Every single trade is logged there. That will be updated at some point today, just as it's the end of the month. But again, you can go and have a look at 2018 also. And if you were to pigeonhole me with, the people that I can help, I can't help you if you're a day trader. I can help you if you want to move away from day trading, because I know that it's very, very difficult to get any sort of, consistency with day trading. But if you're trying to fit trading around a career or a business, if you want to, learn for yourself, stand on your own 2 feet and not just follow people, I can probably help you in some way. Very, very simple. Jump onto our website, honeystocks.com, click apply, join, and tell us what you struggle with. But if you've enjoyed the video, as I said, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you're thinking, and thank you very much for watching. Cheers.